Hello everyone, welcome to a new session. Today I'd like to present to you a new feature which we have enabled for the existing toolpath strategy for the convert and convert 3 to 5. In order to start, I would first like to show you where you can find this option in the UI. I have already created an operation with calculation based on existing toolpath with the convert 3 to 5 strategy, and the new options can be found in the advanced button here. We have two different settings. We have the keep input points and the apply filtering for conversion. The keep input points is basically consisting in the original input toolpath, whereas the applying filtering for conversion, here we filter when there are no major changes between the tool vectors and we remove redundant points. Let me show you how this can be seen. This is the toolpath for the keeping input points, and I have already exported the points which are defined like this. I also have the original input toolpath and the original input points, and as you can see, if I hide this toolpath here, the points are basically the same. There are no major changes between them. The applying filtering for conversion, let me hide this one. The toolpath is basically looking the same as the keeping input points. There's no major change there. But when we export the points, we can see that we have significantly less points between them. The section here from points has been filtered because there is no major change between this point in regards to the vectors. Thank you very much for your attention.